Good day to each and everyone. This is Fieldwork exercise number 4, differential labeling. Introduction. Differential labeling is the process of measuring vertical distances from a known elevation point to determine elevations of unknown points. The most common methods to determine elevation are through the use of number 1, a compensator type automatic or engineering level and level rods, and number 2, an electronic digital barcode labeling instrument with barcode rod. A throughout knowledge of labeling principle and proper application of methods and equipment will prevent costly delays and generate the needed results and accuracy. Preferred methods of obtaining elevations or in order of preference are: first is differential labeling. Control benchmarks, cross sections, point elevations. Second, trigonometric labeling. It is for digital terrain model or DTM and 3D model. Third is indirect labeling and location by measuring horizontal distances and vertical angles. Fourth is three-dimensional coordinates. Both horizontal position and elevation are computed by processing the measurements. And lastly, GPS survey. Given the appropriate equipment, procedure, and data collection. Objectives. Number 1. To acquire and develop the skills of determining the elevation of a point from a benchmark of known elevation by establishing a single setup. Number 2. To acquire and develop the skills of determining the elevation of a point from a benchmark to known elevation by establishing multiple setup using turning points. And lastly, to develop the skills in using labeling instruments. Instruments and accessories. We have wrench poles, measuring tape, markers, it's either chalk or marking pins, and plumb bobs. Number 1. The instructor assigns the location of 2 points marked as A and B which are intervisible with the instrument setup placed between the points. Number 2. Set up the instrument level on the suitable points preferable about midpoint of the 2 designated station A and B by driving the tripod firmly on the ground. Adjust the height of the instrument to the convenient level of instrument man through tripod legs locks. Number 3. Check the bubble in the vial of the level if it is in the center. If not, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Number 4. Take the backside reading of point A where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of a plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or thousandths of meter. Number 5. Rotate the telescope after point B is in sight. Number 6. Repeat steps number 3 to 5 for the chosen second and third triangles of the polygon. To determine the whole area of the polygon, take the summation of area of A1, A2, and A3.
Take the 4 sides reading of the leveling rod, and again, the reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or thousandths of meter. After reading the observed values, compute for the difference of the readings to determine difference in elevation between benchmarks. Repeat procedures 1 to 8 for second and third trial. Tabulate the data in table 4.1 labeled as Single Setup Differential Leveling. Part B, Differential Leveling with Turning Points. Procedure number 1. The instructor assigns the location of another 2 points marked as A and B. Set up the instrument level on the suitable points, preferable about midpoint of the two designated station A and B, by driving the tripod firmly on the ground. Adjust the heights of the instrument to the convenience level of the instrument man through tripod leg locks.
Check the bubble in the vial of the level if it is in the center. If not, adjust the screws by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Take the backside reading of point A where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of a plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of millimeter or thousandth of meter. Rotate the telescope until the newly established point designated as turning point can be sighted. Ensure that the turning point should be almost equidistant from the instrument as the first benchmark from the instrument. The rodman transfers the leveling rod at TP and must hold it with the plumb bob alongside to maintain vertically of the rod. Take the foresight reading of TP where the leveling rod is being held vertical with the aid of the plumb bob. The reading must be done up to the accuracy of a millimeter or thousandth of meter. Transfer the instrument to another location along the route to BM2 where the first turning point is still visible in the telescope, and follow the same procedures as in 2 to 8 until you reach the second benchmark. Tabulate the data in table 4.2 Differential Leveling with Turning Points.